Snow. It's supposed to snow today. Southern blizzard at its best. I don't know. It's about 3 o'clock. Snowing a little bit. They called for flurries, and this is what we got. I'm gonna update this video in another hour and see what it looks like from there. Alright, we're gonna do update number 2. It's 4 o'clock. The last video came at 3. Not very much accumulation, just flurries. I just wanted to document the southern blizzard. But anyway, I thought it was kind of cool. We don't see very much snow around here, so I don't know. I thought I'd document it. But anyway, it's been an hour. I don't know what the clip looked like before. I'd have to go back and look at it, but I'll try to update it again in an hour, but it'll probably be dark. Looks like it's winding up though. Alright, I'm gonna do my 5 o'clock update. If you can see, I got a little bit of snow now. Just thought I would add to this just to put the clips together, but it started snowing and it's just really coming down pretty good. The temperature dropped. We don't get to see this very much in the south. I'd like to see it cover the ground. I mean, all the way. You can see where it's still not covering the ground, but I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's actually pretty neat because, like I said, you don't see this very much in the south. But anyway, if I post this, well, I'll probably add another clip to it tonight or tomorrow, and I might upload this video. I don't know. I might just do this for myself. All right, here's what it looks like at 6 o'clock. I don't know if you can see that. Getting dark. Turn that light on. The yard's covered now. Everything's covered. It's probably about 1 inch. But pretty impressive for the south. Actually kind of tickled. Anyway, that's my southern storm. I'll try to do a video tomorrow to show y'all a little bit what it looks like in the daytime, because I know you can't see this. Other than it's still snowing at 6 o'clock. It's been snowing 3, 4, 5, 6 for a little while. I think they're calling for it to snow a little bit longer, and that's about it. We'll add some more to it. Alright guys, here's my 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock update. Oh, my damn headlight is pretty in it. Alright guys, here's the day after. Day after the blizzard. Actually ended up with about 3.5 inches of snow. See the kitty cat poles. I guess up there by that shop up there, there's some dirt. I guess he had to go relieve himself. But anyway, I thought I'd show y'all what it ended up like. The roads are still covered. Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching my little snow video. This is a pretty big deal for around here. So normally it warms up to about 50 the day after a snow, but it's supposed to be in the like low 30s today and in the teens tonight. So we'll probably this will probably be around for a while. Guys, I just wanted to add this last little clip for all you guys that live up in the north. My hat's off to you. If you see that right there, I done that with a rake and a shovel all the way to the highway down there. Right down there at the bottom though, the freaking wind's blowing and it's covering it back up. But I don't have any snow removal equipment, but I just thought it was interesting because I about had a heart attack. I was thinking, man, I need to lose weight and get in shape. Buy me a damn snow blower if it's gonna keep doing stuff like this. But I tell you what, like I said, my hat's off. Massachusetts Prepper, if you watching this is for you, buddy. And D Eagle, y'all snowbirds, I can't stand it. I've had enough already for it to leave. All right, y'all have a good day. Appreciate you watching.